You've probably heard of Fave. Maybe you've used it to snag a killer deal on dinner or a spa day. But have you ever wondered if FavePay, that payment option you use there, is actually a digital wallet? Let's dive in. Picture this: you're at a restaurant, ready to pay. You open your Fave app, and there's FavePay staring back at you. You tap, scan, and voila, payment done. Easy peasy, right? But is that the whole story? Is FavePay just a fancy way to pay with your card, or is it something more? Something like a digital wallet? Let's break it down. A digital wallet, in its purest form, is like a virtual version of your physical wallet. You load it with money, and then you use it to pay for things. Think Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even those prepaid cards you might use for public transport. Now, let's talk about FavePay. On the surface, it might seem like a digital wallet. You use it to pay for things without cash, right? But here's the twist: FavePay doesn't actually hold your money. It's more like a payment conduit. When you use FavePay, the money is directly transferred from your linked card or ewallet to the merchant. No money is stored in a FavePay balance. So, while FavePay offers the convenience of cashless payments, it doesn't function exactly like a traditional digital wallet. It's more like a bridge connecting your payment method to the merchant. Think of it as a smart payment shortcut rather than a full-fledged digital wallet. But don't get us wrong, FavePay is still a pretty cool tool. It offers cashback, rewards, and other perks to make your shopping experience more enjoyable. Plus, it's super convenient. But when it comes to storing your money digitally, FavePay isn't your best bet. So, to answer the burning question, is FavePay a digital wallet? Not exactly. It's a payment method that leverages the convenience of digital payments without the full functionality of a digital wallet. Now, you might be wondering, why does this even matter? Well, understanding the difference between a payment method and a digital wallet can help you make informed decisions about how you manage your money. If you're looking for a place to store your cash digitally and earn interest, a dedicated digital wallet might be a better option. But if you just want a convenient way to pay and earn rewards, FavePay could be perfect for you. Ultimately, the best payment method for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. So, take some time to explore your options and find what works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.